Okay, lovely ones, we're going to do collarbone breathing. It's a wonderful technique. You can find a lot of information about this on YouTube, and you can watch other people doing it. I'm going to give you a quick little show of how I do it. And then if it feels comfortable, try and incorporate it into your day, especially in those days when you're feeling a little discombobulated. It really is a great way to center, align, and reconnect. And it helps all these neural pathways to really align inside of our being. It's very simple. Let's look at 3 steps, and then we're going to put them all together. The first step is the breathing. So what you do is you take a deep breath in. You breathe halfway out, all the way out, halfway in, and then normal breath. Let's do that. Breathe all the way in, halfway out, all the way, halfway in, normal breath. Beautiful. So the breathing. Now you take your right hand and you point the 2 fingers, the middle finger and the pointy finger, point them up together, tuck the thumb together with the others. Keep your elbows up. Take that pointing mark across to the opposite side on a point that is just below the collarbone. Feel that little point, make a little dent and pop it into your body's memory. Feel that little dent, intuitively connect. And once you've done that, you can find it without worrying about where it is, because you can feel it from within. So you're going to take the 2 pointy fingers of the right hand side, take it across to your left hand side, point to the point that you've marked, and now hold it there. And we're going to then move it across back to the right side of the same inner point that your body is marking and indicating for you. Put your fingers down as knuckles. Just close your hand and let the knuckles touch that point. And then take it to the opposite side. We're going to do that with both of our hands. So then you pick up the left hand and the 2 pointing fingers, elbows up and out, lots of space in your body. And you're going to point all the way to the right hand side to that little pressure point. Then you're going to point to on the same side point. Put the knuckles down, and then the knuckles across to the other side. Lovely. Then the third piece that we're going to put in is a tapping point. And this is going to tap on the gamut, on the baby finger and the ring finger. Draw a line down along those bones and touch this point where the 2 intersect, where the bones would intersect. And you would feel that point is your gamut. And what you're going to do is use the opposite hand, the 2 little pointing fingers, and you're going to tap upon it. Simple as that. Then find it on the other hand. Mark the ring finger and the baby finger, and notice where the bones come down on the top of your hand, and they just want to intersect at that point. Use the 2 pointy fingers of the opposite hand and tap. So 3 things are going to go together now: the breathing, the crossing over, and the tapping. So let's do it together. Are you ready? Take the right hand, your 2 pointy fingers, and pressure point under the collarbone where you found that magical point. Start to tap on that little gamut. Now we breathe. Take a deep breath in. Halfway, all the way out, halfway in, and normal breath, and keep tapping. Take your pointing fingers to the opposite side, to the same side, I should say. Let's take a deep breath in and tap. Halfway out, all the way out, halfway in, normal breath. Close your hand to the knuckles, keep tapping, breathing in. Halfway out, all the way out, halfway in, normal breath. Take your knuckles to the opposite side, keep tapping to the gamut, breathe in, halfway out, all the way, halfway in, normal breath. Well done. Now relax your hands, pick up your left hand, point the 2 fingers, go across to the right hand pointing point on the collarbone, start to tap, breathe all the way in, halfway out, all the way out, halfway in. Go to the other side, keep tapping, breathe all the way in, halfway out, all the way out, halfway in. Relax. Close your down to the knuckle. Take the deep breath in, halfway out, all the way out, halfway in. Relax and bring it back to the other side and tap. Breathe all the way in, halfway out, all the way out, halfway in, and relax and breathe. Now take your hands, put them down on the tops of your laps and just hold your space there. Close your eyes and let your inner being reorganize and reshuffle and realign itself. And you can hold the space for as long as you can now. Wonderful, well done. Collarbone breathing, not so hard, do it a lot.